Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to make a laptop faster without buying anything. First thing you want to do to make your laptop go faster is just to check the environment that you have the laptop in. One big factor in the speed of your laptop is the airflow through the laptop. And the reason I say that is as the laptop gets hot, the CPU temperature rises, it will throttle itself down to try to reduce that temperature, and that will cause your laptop to go slower. So you'll want to keep your laptop in an area that has good airflow, that way it can stay cool. Now I'm going to show you some tips actually on the desktop. Inside of your laptop, one good idea is to reduce the amount of programs that run as the laptop is started. And we're going to do this by going to MS Config. You click on your Start button, and in the little search here, you go to type MS Config and press Enter. You have to be an administrator to do this, so just click Continue. Now what we're interested in here is the Startup tab. A lot of laptops will come with a whole bunch of programs already loaded. And as you can see here, I have a whole lot here that's actually set to launch when my computer starts up. Each one of these items will run in the background when my computer starts. You can just disable some of these. You can probably disable the majority of them if you know it's something that you don't want. And that'll keep that program from running, which would use resources that will slow your laptop down. Just click Apply to make the changes and click OK. It's going to ask you if you want to restart. I'm going to say no. My last tip for you is to defragment your hard drive. Click on your Start button, go to Computer, and then right click on your C drive and go to Properties. We then want to go to the Tools screen, and under Defragmentation, click Defragment Now. Once again, you have to be an admin. And again, we want to click Defragment Now. This is going to scan through your hard drive and put files together that should be together. That way they will load them faster. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to make a laptop run faster without buying anything.